Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how I created a procurement approval system in just a matter of minutes using Joget. It's so easy and I'm going to show you how. So we start off at the App Center and click on Design New App. Here you can click on Create New App, and for today I'm actually going to be using the AI Designer, which is a plugin that you can download from the marketplace. So click here and click on Launch Joget AI Designer. So here we have the option to either create a new app or modify a new existing app. Let's click on Create App. Let's proceed with text for now. And here you can provide a prompt to describe what you want your app to do. So I'm going to say generate a procurement management system. Okay, and let's give them a condition when the amount is more than $2,000. Then it requires approval from two levels, which is HOD and Finance Department. Else it requires approval from Finance Department only. Okay, I think that sounds good. So let's proceed. And since we don't need adjustments for this one, we can skip this for now and proceed with the process proposal. So it starts with the submission of the procurement request by the initiator, followed by the finance department for approval, and if it's more than 2,000, it also requires additional approval from the HOD. So this looks good. We can continue with the forms and participants. So here we have the suggested forms and participants. It looks good. We can continue with the process design. So here is the process design that has been created. It starts with the initiator making the request. It goes to the finance department for review. Then if it's approved or rejected, if it's rejected, is notified, and then if it's approved, it will go for the amount evaluation, which decides whether it requires HOD's approval or not. So okay, so this looks in line with the prompt that we provided earlier. We can continue with the form design. This is the form design provided by the Joget AI Designer. So at this stage, we can actually still refine or regenerate if we want to make any changes. So I'm actually going to make a small change, which I can do using refine here, and I'll show you how easy it is to do it. Okay, so if this looks good, let's click to send and then allow them to make the changes. Okay, so this is the form that has been created by AI after we made that change. So it looks good now. We can continue to create the app. So click here to create the app, and now we can give an ID and name to the app. I'm just going to give the ID as procurement management, and I will name it the same as well. So procurement management. Okay, so let's click save and give it some time to create the app for us. Okay, so when the app has been created, we will be redirected to the app composer. So here we can actually see the form, the list, the UI, and the process builders, and we can see that all of it has already been taken care of by AI. It's so easy. So when that's already ready, we can actually continue to publish this app so we can test it in real time. So now let's go back to the App Center. So now that we're at the App Center, you can see the app that we've just published. Let's open that up. So now we're at the Procurement Management app. We're in the welcome page. Here we can see the procurement request. So let's open up the tab. Okay, so here we can actually make a submission, just like we would in real life. So here you can see the form that we created earlier. So I will make a submission just for an example. So let's say the price, I want it to be over 2,000. So let's try for $300. Item details. This would be the item used. So just an example item, and quantity 10. So the price will be 3,000. Okay, that looks good. Now let's put sales department. Okay, submit. So here we can actually view the submission that we've created. We have the option to withdraw it as well, but we won't do that now. So let's just go back, and let's go back to the inbox. So here at the inbox is actually how the approvers will be seeing it. So here the finance department can review it, and here they can check the details, and later they can decide to approve or reject accordingly. Here's also the progress bar that will show the completion progress of this specific process. Okay, so here you've seen that it's been started, and then it will move to the next one, which is finance department review. So let's approve this one, and then it will move next to the HOD review. Similarly, they will look at the details, and they can approve or reject. So yeah, let's click approve. And now that's done. Look at how easy it was for me to create a procurement management app just by using that one plugin on Joget. So I hope this has helped, and I hope that you learned a lot from this demo. Thank you so much for watching.